Hello, Apple Insider viewers. Today, we're exploring the latest from Samsung's Galaxy A series, the Galaxy A17. Let's dive into what this 2025 release brings to the table. Display and design. The Galaxy A17 boasts a 6.74-inch Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels. The standout feature here is the 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth visuals whether you're scrolling through apps or watching videos. The design maintains an 86% screen-to-body ratio, offering an immersive viewing experience. Additionally, the device achieves a peak brightness of 1200 nits, enhancing visibility even under direct sunlight. Camera system. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the A17's versatile camera setup. It features a 50-megapixels main camera for detailed shots, an 8-megapixels ultrawide lens to capture expansive scenes, and a 2-megapixels macro lens for close-up photography. On the front, there's a 13-megapixels camera, perfect for selfies and video calls. Notably, the A17 supports 4K video recording at 30 FPS and includes both electronic and optical image stabilization for smooth footage. Performance and storage. Under the hood, the Galaxy A17 is powered by the Exynos 1380 chipset, built on a 5nm process. This octa-core processor, combined with the Mali G68 MP5 GPU, ensures efficient multitasking and a responsive gaming experience. The device comes with 6GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128GB of UFS 3.1 storage, with the option to expand storage via a hybrid slot supporting up to 1TB. Battery and charging. Equipped with a 5500 mAh battery, the A17 offers extended usage, keeping you connected throughout the day. When it's time to recharge, the 25W fast charging support ensures you can quickly get back to full power. Software and connectivity. Running on Android 15 with Samsung's One UI 7, the Galaxy A17 provides an intuitive and customizable user experience. Connectivity options are comprehensive, including 5G support, Wi-Fi, NFC, and dual SIM functionality. Durability and build. The A17 features a glass front with a plastic back and frame, achieving a balance between aesthetics and durability. It also boasts an IP67 rating, making it resistant to dust and water up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. Conclusion. The Samsung Galaxy A17 presents a compelling package with its high refresh rate display, versatile camera system, robust performance, and long-lasting battery. For those considering a new smartphone in 2025, the A17 is a noteworthy contender in the mid-range segment. For a closer look at the Galaxy A17, check out this unboxing video.